got our hallway going into our garage. And come through into the lounge. Our spacious lounge and the view down the street.
Or the view of the builder's van.
Yeah.
It hasn't yet moved.
You don't have to go upstairs to use the toilet anymore. Hungry, anyone? Our nice new kitchen.
Ooh.
It's a bit dusty at the moment, but they are going to clean it for us. And over here will be our diner. Show the car. That's locked. Now I'll show you the upstairs. Got a window so we can see into next door's house. This is Sam's room. Show the view from Sam's window. If you come across the hall, this is the small guest room.
Grandpa's room.
And that's the view from Grandpa's room. And across the hall again is our family bathroom with shower, toilet and sink.
There's the sink.
Shower and tower.
There's the shower.
Next to the toilet is our large guest / office room. You can get a look at the garden down here as well.
Mmm.
And then last, but by no means least,
Tom's a little bit excited.
the master bedroom and the ensuite shower room. Go in, take a look. Don't be shy.
Compact.
But functional. So we've got a great big landing when Sam wants to jump down the stairs onto a pile of mattresses. I think that's it. Unless you want to go outside.
Maybe.
Okay. Where's my shoes gone?
They're in the cupboard.
Which cupboard?
In the kitchen.